So brands, every single business are in the race of building itself as a brand, and the single most factor that will show the dominance of the brand in the market is none other than the brand popularity. And how can you judge your brand popularity? If you are a business and you are building a brand, you should take charge and always track your brand popularity over the time and keep tracking your competitors brand also. And today in this video I'm going to share you a very handy tool, that is Google Trends. And with the help of Google Trends you will be able to keep track of your own brand popularity and as well as your competitors brand popularity. If we search for Nike, so here is the result of Google Trends data that showing the brand popularity over the time of past 12 months, and you can see that this trend has not been dropped off below 50. It's more than above 60. So it have a very high popularity in the worldwide region, and particularly Google Trends will give you the data in which region your brand popularity is the most. In 60 regions, Nike has its popularity, and furthermore, how the customers are asking in the Google search about your brand, what type of questions or about products they are typing in and searching. Now let's see how you can compare your brand with your competitor brand, the popularity. Let's check Reebok as an example. So here the red one is the popularity of the Reebok brand over the past 12 months in worldwide region. So you can clearly see that the Reebok has a very minimum brand popularity as compared as to Nike, which is 64 between March 17 to 23 in 2019, and whereas Reebok has only 4. And by comparing in percentage, I can show you that in India Nike has 86% more popular than the Reebok, which is only 14%. Similarly, you can check on other regions also what is the percentage. And now, and the else you can also see what type of Reebok queries are put on the Google search. Let's add one more competitor. So the Adidas will come on yellow, and you can see the curves are same as the Nike, but you can see between April 7 to April 13, 2019, so Nike has a 65 points popularity, whereas Reebok has 4 and Adidas have 38. So it clearly shows that Nike has the most popularity, after that Adidas, and the lowest is the Reebok. So Google Trends data is very helpful to keep track the brand popularity of itself, and as well as keep an eye on the competitors brand popularity. So if you have any doubts regarding this data and Google Trend, do comment and I will surely reach out to you